Okay, I think we look okay. You think we look okay? Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, blessed holidays to all of you out there in the universe. We are here, myself and I'm Lorna. This is Orion. This is our YouTube channel. And today we have a fix for me and a fix for him. So we're gonna unbox both of them. We're probably gonna focus mostly on his. Yeah. And maybe we'll try things on, we'll see. He probably won't feel like it, but Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, all of that good stuff.
Happy days.
Holidays, happy holidays. Okay, we're gonna get something to open these boxes and we're gonna get started for our December 2021 Stitch Fix. Ah! There you go.
Wow.
Whoa. Cool. Little shirt.
Uncle.
Got a little Marvel top. Can you find the zipper? There's the zipper. You know how to do it. Little hoodie. Little zip hoodie. Okay, let me help. Here. Can I get started for you? Can you do the rest? He just turned 2 in November.
Wow.
Those are awesome. Can you hold him up to the camera? Can you hold him up high for the camera, Sissy? Very cool. Dr. Scholl's Kids. That's pretty cool. Wow. So cute. Little cactus shirt. Really, really soft. And these are some PJs. Whoa. What? Let me see. Here, look. Oh, I don't think there's anything in there, baby. I think you got it all out. Do you want to try them on? No, leave your sock on. Let's leave your sock on and see if they fit. We're also getting in the habit of wearing socks. Wait! We do not like socks in this house. Because we have really sweaty feet, don't we? Hey, these fit really good. Really well. Ah, very cool. I'll show y'all in just a second. It doesn't really feel, well, today it feels like Christmas because it's cold today, but it's supposed to be something like 80 degrees here on Christmas. Okay, let's look at your feet. Cool. You like them? Very nice. Oh, like a whole Nike sweatsuit here. I don't know. I just don't particularly like that. Some jeans, some little Flex Tech Slim Straight. I did not realize that like kids needed comfy like a sweatpant. Go figure. Oh, these are so cute. Cute and soft. Okay, there we go. I just need to be closer. These are so soft. So cute. Definitely gonna keep those. chinos. These are perfect. Andy and Evan, little drawstring navy chinos. Super, super cute. Love the little cactus shirt. Super soft. This is like a nice heavy hoodie. He's got a lightweight hoodie, and this one's a little bit heavier in between. Not that it really matters much these days. Global warming, y'all. It's just crazy here. I'll definitely keep the Marvel shirt. He's not, I am. I'm rewatching all of the Marvel movies and shows right now, and I'm having a really good time. I love this. This little, I do kind of wish it was like, maybe like a blue or a purple or something, but I love the little button in the, little buttons in the front. I like it a lot. Is it gonna focus on this maybe? I went and put a little bit of makeup on. For this, for y'all. I get more views if I wear makeup, which is kind of depressing. Oh, well, if I keep everything, it'll be $150. That's not terrible, but I really don't want to keep the Nike thing. Everything is under $30. The most expensive thing are those shoes he's wearing. What happened? Can I give you this box? Can I give you this box and Mommy can have that one? Here. Whoa. We're gonna try to open this box anyway. We've got our tree up and everything. I'm finally off work for 2 weeks. Excuse me.
No.
Please?
No.
You dropped it. Whoop.
No.
So his fix was pretty good. I like that he gets a ton of stuff. I really like that. I've had like, I don't know the last time I posted for y'all for me. I think it was like July. So it's definitely been a minute for me, and I've had some successful fixes and some not so successful fixes. Do you need help? Well, honey, maybe we can glue it. Okay, for me. Whoa. Where's the sweet spot? Don't know. Okay. It's like highlighter yellow. It's definitely thinner than I thought it was going to be, especially since it's highlighter yellow. I was not wanting to have to wear a bra under this, but it's pretty thin. Pretty thin. This was the only thing I picked from my preview. I did not like the preview that I got. Some black joggers. They feel like they're gonna be super comfortable, but like, this is like the 5th time they've sent me joggers. They sent me some jewelry last time. I did not keep it. It was very cute, but I did not keep it. Uh-oh. And hold it. Oh, it is a mess. Okay, well, whoa.
Oh.
Could you sit, please? You're very, very close to the edge. Thank you. Oh, this is very holiday-esque. This is it's green corduroy. Green corduroy mini skirt. Interesting. You're so helpful. You're so helpful. Here. Hold it out like this. Cool. She's right here. Oh, that's fun. 5. That's 5 items. Okay, then we've got this tan sweatshirt. Splits on the side. Feels very, very comfortable. No thumb holes in the sleeves. Sweatshirt. Very, very likely going to be see-through top. Also looks very small. I probably don't need an... Oh, yeah. I should probably just like... Maybe they'll have a small available. Because this is an extra small and that's going to be too small, I think. Green holiday corduroy skirt. Very cute. Don't know that I will keep this, but good on them for sending me something that feels like Christmas. And then these black joggers that I probably won't keep. Oh, and the necklace. My totals are... I know. Long video. If I keep everything, it's $194. Let's see, those joggers are $84. No. So something that I'm doing, I'm rewrapping his birthday presents and giving them back to him for Christmas because he doesn't play with any of them. Anyway, we hope that you guys are having a good holiday, having a good break, getting to spend time with family. Please be safe out there. Omicron is not playing around. Stick with me, subscribe, follow me on Instagram and Twitter. You don't really have to follow me on Twitter. I think I'm locked out anyway, but Instagram's a good one. You can follow me on Facebook too, I guess. You don't have to add me as a friend. You can just follow me. I think that's a thing you can do. Anyway, you can follow him on Instagram as well. He's got an Instagram with the animals and stuff. We do have a Harlequinn cat over here. I don't know if you guys could see because of the lighting that I did so poorly. But, oh, it looks like way better if I sit up here. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. Follow, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. Comment, please. Engagement is so important. We are glad that you guys stopped by. Please come back and see us. It will be the new year. It'll be 2022. Yeah, 2022. I had to think about that for a second. That's sad. Okay, bye guys. See you next time. Can you wave? Say bye.